file handling in C. Okay, normally we are getting input from the monitor, we are getting a value from the monitor and we are input some value to the monitor. So if I want to get input from the file, if I want to get the input from the file, or it may be a text file or binary file, or it may be a word file. Okay, if I want to get the input from the file or any text file or binary file, I am using file handling. That is called file handling in C. So this is a Word or some Excel file. Okay, so here some set of data are there, 1, 2, 3, thousands of data are there. So now I want to manipulate this input to my C program. Okay, so I am inputting this file into my C program. That is called file handling in C. It is used to open, read, write, append and execute a particular file. Using this file handling, what I can do, I can open a file, I can read a file, I can write a file, and I can append. Append means already some content is there, some 1 to 10 is there. Using my program, what I am doing, I am writing multiples of that 10 values. Okay, so using this file handling, I can open a file, I can read a file, I can write a file, I can append a file, and I can execute a particular file. So only this is enough. Okay, so how to open a file? That is, the syntax is fopen. This function is used to open an existing or to create a new file. The syntax is file star fp. Normally file is opened using the file pointer. So this is fp, it may be any name fp. Not only you have to give fp, you can give your own name s or anything you can give. So using this file pointer, file is a keyword, this is a syntax, this must be typed in the this is a keyword, this must be typed in the capital letter. Okay, capital caps. So file star fp, fp equal to fopen, the file name and mode, file name mode. I will tell you what is mode. So file name is name of the file, file name is a name of the file, and mode is, there are different modes in a file handling. Modes means, that is for what purpose I am what I have to doing in that file, or. So one is mode is or, open a file for reading purpose. So I am opening a particular file only for the reading purpose, then I have to give the mode as or. If it's W, open a file for writing purpose. If the mode is A, open a file for appending or add the data with existing file. And or plus is both reading and writing purpose. If I want to read also and I want to write also inside the file, I must give the mode as or plus. W plus, it is used to open a file for writing and reading. It truncates the file to 0 length if it exists, otherwise it creates a file. Okay, so if it is already it truncates the file to 0 length if it exists. See, W plus means what happens, writing means see, if already some content is there, A, B, C, D, S, so if I am writing something, this will be writing yes, so this will be erased. Okay, this will be, it truncates this file to 0 and it returns the new one into the file. So that is W plus. Okay, otherwise it will create a new file and it write the yes. Okay, see, remember write and yes. See, write means it erases the previous data. Okay, write, it erases the previous data. Erases the previous data in a file. Okay, that is it indicates. It truncates the file to 0 length if it exists. If it is an already some content is there, it erases and it creates a new file. Whatever I am writing is newly, the new data is written into the file. If I don't want to erase the previous data, if I don't want to erase the previous content, I have to open the file in a append mode. Append mode is used to add the content with the existing file. Okay, so A plus means open a file for reading and writing. Reading start from the beginning, and writing starts from the end. So writing will be starts from the end. So if I don't want to erase means I can use append. So 1, 2, 3 will be there. If I use append A plus mode, so then the content 3, 4, 5, 6 will be added. So my data or existing data won't erase and my new data is added inside the file. Okay, so this is file handling. What is file handling? We are manipulating a particular file in a C program. So what you are doing, we are opening, reading, writing, appending and executing a file. How to open a file? The syntax is file star fp, fp equal to fp open, file name and mode. What are the modes? Read, write, append, read plus, write plus and append plus. R plus means reading and writing purpose, W plus means writing and reading, and A plus means reading and writing. Reading starts from the beginning and writing starts at the end of the file. Okay, this is appending. And the next one, last, is file handling. How to handle a file? This is the syntax: int f close file star fp. If after opening a file you want to close the file, right? So f close is a function which is used to close the file. It return to 0 on success or end of file. So it will return 0 on success. Okay, if the file is closed successfully, it will return 0. And f put c, already we have seen, no, put c, put character, get s. So put c means, see here, int c comma file star fp. Whatever the file is opened, in that file write the character value of argument c to the file f. So this is the file. So this is the character yes. So the yes is written in the file pointer. Okay, yes written in the file pointer. That is called f put c. Put a character into the file. Put this in c or some integer value or 25, 35, that it will put into the file. Okay, so that is put c, a single character. Okay, but if I want put s, if I want a string to put inside the file, if I want a string to write inside the file, okay, so I am getting the value Akshara, this is one name. So after I am getting a character, string of character, I am written into the file pointer. Okay, first I have written Akshara and then Ranjan. Okay, so Ranjan is written here. So set of strings are put inside the file. F put as character star s. So this string and file pointer, the same content. Okay, here. And so this is how we can insert a character into the file pointer and insert a string into the file pointer. Okay, the next one is f get c. So now if I want to read from the file I want to read, that is f get c. If I want get only one character, so 1 2 3 4 5, so if you want f get c, okay, from this file, from the file pointer I am getting the value and printing in the monitor, or you can use it for any manipulation. F get c file pointer, it is used to get a character from a specified file pointer. And f get s, so same names if I want to read, so using this read the string from the specified file. F get s, So 𝐹𝑔ETTers used to read the string from the specified file. So these are all the important file handling function. Using this we can do any program. 𝐹close, it's used to close the file pointer, and 𝐹putC, it is used to put a character into the specified file. PutS, it is used to put a string inside the file, and 𝐹getC, it is used to get a character from the file. 𝐹GETTers, it is used to get a string from the file pointer.